One booty flavored large shake.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe, like to support this channell. We're right here
at McDonald's ordering 2 booty flavored shakes, guys. One, and you know they're buy one get one free right now, so we're balling on a budget. So
yeah, it's true.
One booty flavored large shake.
I couldn't hear you.
One booty flavored chocolate shake.
I heard a chocolate shake. What size?
Here we go.
Alright, so I heard a large chocolate shake, and what else?
A strawberry.
No,
Strawberry?
vanilla, bro.
What size was that one?
Oh wait, I'm sorry. No, vanilla and strawberry.
Oh, both large?
Yeah.
Will that be all for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have this coupon thing here.
Okay, that's $3.45. Please.
Thank you. Oh,
There you go, $1.55.
thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good night.
You too. Hey, that's a pretty good deal for 2 large shakes. 3 something.
Yeah, that's true, man. Coins are life. Say it.
Something. I was gonna say something stupid.
I don't care. This
Oh.
vlog is all about being stupid.
Yeah, but it's just not even funny.
So?
I was gonna be like, if anyone's seen my glasses, let me know where they at.
Oh, because he lost his glasses, that's why.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if any of you in Canada, China, Mexico have seen them, just let us know.
Comment.
Comment.
They're carbon blade Oakleys.
Yeah, there you go. Carbon blade Oakleys. Oakland.
Hey, look, there's reindeer horns on there, on that car.
Huh? Oh,
There's
look at
horns on that car.
that. Ooh, feeling the Christmas spirit.
400 horses.
Cool. Hey.
That's stronger than any Dasher and Prancer ever. I wonder if Santa was really driving one of those. Right? You know there was a real Santa? Something as a real Santa? He was called Saint Nicholas.
Oh. Yeah, I think that's his name. No, isn't that Santa's name in the first place?
Yeah.
I don't know about the story, so I cannot say nothing.
I don't know too much about the story either. But he used to deliver presents to people.
Imagine how he did it, like, just went in your house and boom, breaks a window to leave a chocolate chip.
I really think he was probably like incarcerated or something.
Yeah, true. Hey, taking a death row, I was playing.
Happy holidays, everybody. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is Oskeezy in the mix.
Hey, we should
mix.
Hey, that should be his nickname, Oskeezy.
Oskeezy.
Yeah, I'm gonna call him Oskeezy, cause I was about to call him Eskimo, cause like.
2 large shakes?
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
two
Thank
letters.
you.
Thank you.
You guys, look at Oscar just chilling right there.
Do it. Oh, he said he gave me permission. Because after me, everybody's that should defend me.
You won't.
It's up to him, not me.
Come on, it's for the video.
No,
For the video, and for the.
Right here, you have to get it right here.
I'm not talking about your hand, I'm talking about right there.
You want me to hit Jay?
In the middle. For the video, do it for the
Alright, let's
vlog.
see if I would have made it, alright? Let's see.
Alright, Jay.
For the video.
I'll actually let you. Jay, I'll actually let you.
Hey, he said for the video. Don't cover it.
Oh!
That would hurt so bad.
It hurt you?
It looked like it would hurt, bro.
Wait, that's my water, right?
Ready?
Again? You up? You
Don't
won't.
block it.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Hey.
You suck.
Not for me though.
Hey, give.
Nah.
I just aim it. Hello. Boy.
You're hitting yourself?
You disappeared.
Oh, was supposed to land.
Cabeza de cacahuate.
Let's see if he makes it.
Ready? I'm gonna do the water bottle. Ready? Go for it.
Alright, let's do it with the holy water.
Where? Exactly.
Boy, that's oil.
What is this?
Is it the Is this the corn oil?
Corn oil. Olive oil, get it right.
I'm sleeping right now.
You sleeping? Oh, okay.
I'm just talking in my sleep.
Makes sense.
I don't even know where I'm at. Can you pick up my trash over there?
Let me pick you up.
Nah.
Hey.
Why does everybody want to hit my dick?
This guy's trying to learn how to play this one song.
Let's go check.
Hey.
Alright, did you record it so we can replay it?
Yeah. Boy.
Bro, you know motorcycles take way less gas?
Bro?
You fill a tank on like 10 bucks. If you
Look
go,
at these LEDs.
and I can keep, boy. What are you doing?
They're always on fleek with those helmets. Hey. Oh, he's about to leave me. All right, peace out, bro.
So,
Oh my God. I ain't trying to...
Hey, Jay, did it go on?
Hey, no,
bloody
bro.
knuckles, wait.
You look like a Power Ranger, bro.
Hey, Jay, did it go on?
Say it, bro.
yeah, I need to go save your mom.
Oh.
Hey, Jay, did it go on?
The cops are coming. The cops. Over here.
What's up? We're about to cook some cereal.
Yeah, nothing.
Some cereal today.
We're gonna cook some M&M cereal.
I know.
This guy, it's because that's his favorite sentence.
I know.
Right? Right. That's your favorite sentence, huh?
I know. Yeah.
Yeah, you know? Sure.
Baseball is my favorite one.
Baseball's your
I say yeah.
This guy's always roasting on Peanut for baseball.
It's not
What's wrong
wrong.
with baseball?
Nothing's wrong with baseball. It's the fact that he likes baseball.
Oh, so you can't like baseball? You not be roasted on?
No.
Damn.
It's peanut,
Who
man.
taught you
It's
to-
peanut.
Slice, ratatouille. Oh.
No, it's actually ratatouille.
Oh. My bad. But I'm your dad.
So you left me 8 years ago, and then you never came back for me.
Isn't that how it looks? Hey, no, please. Boy. Wait, you look like a turkey.
Wait. You know what's turkey? Los jamones.
Oh,
One, 2, 3, 4. How many niggers are in your store?
You know, when we're in the street in India, if there's a cow in the middle of the road, then we have to stop to have to respect the cows.
Sorry, Boji, sorry.
Thanks.
the fullest.
Not really, not really, not really.
Giving his life for this guy, huh? This guy is always in the game, 24/7. He cannot rest. Yeah, this guy is.
Until you just
There's a little house. You know, my
$100.
backyard. We're trying to. I don't know. We're thinking about making this into a studio.
All he needs is $100, man. All he needs.
It'll be nice, but it's outside. That's the dangerous part.
Don't worry. Don't worry. You know, when it comes to electricity, call the masters. That ain't me.
Hey, this guy.
I know
Get
it,
security and all that.
Yeah.
Right here chilling, grabbing some coke.
Did you say Coke?
Yeah, coke.
Coke is bad.
No.
Coke is bad. You meant to say Coca-Cola. Say.
Coca-Cola.
Now you're talking my language.
All right, guys. Well, that's it for the vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. He's so naive, sweet. All right, that's it for the vlog. That's it for the vlog. That's it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like if you're new to this channel. Just know that I'm trying to entertain you guys. So comment down what you want me to do. And peace out.